Hello everybody! In this video, we will see 5 mistakes blocking your manifestation and some suggestions how to fix them. Manifestation is something that all humans do already, some unconsciously, while others consciously. It's when we attract things, people, and situations in our life with our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Knowing this, we can use the law of attraction to manifest the things, people, and situations that we want in our lives. Unfortunately, however, most people still haven't tapped into this power, and if they have already, they're most likely not using the most powerful methods and might make mistakes along the way. That's perfectly fine, of course. We're all here to learn and grow. But before going forward, if you like videos about manifestation, please subscribe and tick the notification bell to be notified for further videos published. Also in the description, I have a link to a free guide to effective manifestation and to valuable shortcuts in your path to success. So what's the purpose of manifestation? Well, if we can nurture the right thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, we can create the life that we want and attract love, health, abundance, and many more. The only limit to what you can manifest is your imagination. So, now that you know the basics of manifestation, let's get into the top 5 mistakes that you're making that could be blocking your manifestation. You're not using gratitude. It's very important that you have a gratitude journal alongside your affirmations. Think about it. Why are you manifesting what you want in your life? Is it because you're unhappy? Unsatisfied? You want more in life? I'm not saying you shouldn't feel that way, but I am telling you that you shouldn't base your manifestation on negative emotions. Remember what I told you? Manifesting is attracting things in your life using your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. You might say, I am happy and I welcome abundance into my life, and that's great. But if you're saying that or writing it down based on negative emotions because you want to get out of your current unhappiness, you're only going to attract more of it. This is where gratitude comes in. You need to be grateful for your current situation to attract a better life. I know it might sound weird because you might be using manifestation to get out of your unhappiness, but trust me, if you want to attract more good in your life, then you must be grateful for what you already have. And because now you're basing it off of gratitude, you radiate abundance, and so you attract more abundance. Make sense? So what I want you to do is get a gratitude journal. Any notebook, journal, or piece of paper will work. Then write down everything you're grateful for. Do this when you're doing your affirmations. Do this every morning when you wake up and at night before you sleep. Lack of clarity. If you're unclear on what you want, then your manifestation techniques are going to be weaker. You might know what you don't want: unhappiness, depression, sickness, being broke. But knowing what you don't want is, again, focusing on getting out of your current situation instead of being grateful for it, which again bases your manifestation on negative emotions. So take your time and think about it. What do you really want? What kind of person do you want to become? What kind of emotions do you want to have on a daily basis? What kind of experiences do you want? Really get clear on what you want and take your time with it. Gaining clarity might take time, but it's a process of self-discovery, and you shouldn't rush the process. Don't think about the expectations that people have of you. Focus on what you want. Take it step by step, and you'll eventually figure out what you want, and your affirmations will be stronger than before. Your relationship with negative emotions. Negative emotions aren't necessarily bad. You shouldn't build resentment towards your emotions because that will only worsen those negative emotions. You should learn to accept them as they are. This is one of the reasons why people do meditation. One of the benefits of meditation is that it creates a distance between you and your thoughts and emotions. In this way, you aren't entangled or consumed by your thoughts and emotions, and you can watch and simply accept them from a distance. I understand, however, that detaching yourself from your emotions doesn't make those emotions any less painful, and it can be extremely hard to feel grateful about a depressing situation. So let me get you in on a technique that I don't see a lot of people applying. It's this. You need to believe that no matter what happens, it works in your favor. That's it. You need to believe that the universe, life, God, or whatever you believe in works for you and not against you. And this connects the 4th mistake that could be blocking your manifestation, which is victim mentality. If you believe that life is working against you instead of for you, then you have a victim mentality. Why is this happening to me? What did I do to deserve this? These are common things to say when you are in a victim mentality. And as you already know, a victim mentality is based on negative emotions and past experiences, not the best place to start manifesting. So this is what I want you to do. You need to have a paradigm shift. You need to change your beliefs. Whenever something bad happens to you, you need to catch your thoughts. When your thoughts start to go into this downward spiral, remember, whatever happens, it works in your favor. The universe is rigged in your favor. When you do this, you'll be able to detach yourself from the situation, and you'll be much more able to see the opportunities in whatever situation you face. And even if you can't find a solution to your situation, believing that it works in your favor will release the burden and anxiety in your heart. Affirmation mistakes. You don't manifest what you think, you manifest who you are. When you make affirmations, you should always be focused on changing who you are. Instead of, I can sing on stage, you should do, I am a confident and great singer. Notice the difference? The first affirmation is focused on a clear goal, to be able to sing on stage. The second affirmation is focused on changing who you are, your identity. You're a confident and great singer. This is called identity shifting. This is much more effective because it changes you completely. Because you're a confident and great singer, being able to sing on stage isn't even something you need to think about. You just do it. So that was my top 5 mistakes that you could be making that are blocking your manifestation. I really hope this helps you with creating the life you want and becoming the person you want to be. Apply these today. What do you think? Please leave your comment to share your experience, or even if you disagree or have doubts. I have put together a free guide to make manifesting easier and faster. You can find the link in the description. And if you like the video and want more on manifesting, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for your time, and see you in future videos.